Hi, I'm Jackie with Total Cable Solutions, and this is the Cable Corner. From time to time, I will be sharing news, helpful hints, and product updates from TCS through this video web series. Today, we're going to be talking about color power cables from Total Cable Solutions. The more dense data centers become, the more difficult it is to efficiently manage power sources and systems. More data centers are adopting a color coding system to easily identify main and redundant power sources, which results in fewer accidental shutoffs and less downtime. Total Cable Solutions has one of the largest in-stock U.S. inventories of red and blue power cables in lengths from 1 to 15 feet. Here are all the connector and plug types that TCS stocks. Here are some of the ways color coding with color power cables by Total Cable Solutions can help your data center run more efficiently. We hope you found this information helpful. I'm Jackie, and from all of us at Total Cable Solutions, thank you for watching the Cable Corner. If you would like more information about this or other products, contact us today. Visit us on YouTube and stay tuned for more informative videos from Total Cable Solutions.